Sicily, the island known for its rich history, stunning landscapes and deep cultural roots, became the center of a massive military campaign in World War II. In 1943, it was here that the Allies launched Operation Husky, the first major step in the invasion of Italy. This battle didn't just mark the beginning of the end for Mussolini's fascist regime, it also changed the lives of the Sicilian people forever. But how did it happen? And why was Sicily so important? Let's dive into the story of the battle that opened Italy to the Allies. By 1943, the Axis powers, Germany and Italy, were losing ground in North Africa. The Allies, led by the United States and Great Britain, needed a way to invade mainland Europe. Sicily was the perfect starting point. It was close to Tunisia, where the Allies had just won a major victory, and it provided a direct route to the Italian mainland. Controlling Sicily meant controlling the Mediterranean. On the night of July 9, 1943, the largest amphibious invasion of World War II at that time began. Over 160,000 Allied troops landed on the beaches of Sicily, supported by 4,000 ships and 14,000 aircraft. The Americans, under General George S. Patton, landed in the west, while the British, led by Field Marshal Bernard Montgomery, attacked from the southeast. Strong winds scattered paratroopers, and German and Italian forces put up fierce resistance. The landings were chaotic, but the Allies kept pushing forward. For 38 days, battles raged across the island. Italian troops, many of them poorly equipped and demoralized, surrendered quickly. The Germans, however, fought fiercely, using Sicily's mountainous terrain to their advantage. But in the end, the Allies broke through, and on August 17th, Messina fell. The battle for Sicily was over. The consequences of this invasion were massive. Benito Mussolini was arrested just days after the invasion began. His own government turned against him, and Italy soon surrendered to the Allies. The Germans retreated to mainland Italy, where they would continue to fight in a brutal, drawn-out campaign. For the people of Sicily, the invasion was both a liberation and a tragedy. Cities like Palermo and Catania were devastated by bombing raids, and thousands of civilians lost their lives. One of the more controversial aspects of the invasion was the alleged role of the Sicilian mafia. Some believe the US worked with mafia figures, including Lucky Luciano, to gather intelligence and smooth the occupation. While debated, there's evidence that Allied forces quickly placed known mafia members in positions of power after the invasion, reshaping Sicily's post-war landscape. The battle for Sicily was a turning point in World War II. It led to the fall of Mussolini, the collapse of Italian fascism, and the slow, brutal Allied push into mainland Italy. But for Sicilians, the war left scars that lasted for decades. Bombed cities, shattered lives, and a changing political landscape defined the island's post-war years. Yet Sicily endured. Today, remnants of this battle still exist. Abandoned bunkers, war memorials, and stories passed down through generations. The Battle of Sicily wasn't just a military operation, it was a moment that changed history. Would you like to see more videos about Sicily's role in World War II? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Sicilian history.